Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene took delight. Sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas.
With the pink one? And what color is next? Wow, what's that? Oh no, don't put it in your hand.
I'm raising it. Where's
Kanina itong Spidey na coloring book na nabili namin. Yung colors niya, yung color pens na kasama niya, clear na.
No!
Pero pag kinolor mo, ayun na yung color niya, giging red. Tapos hindi siya nasusulat dito. Everywhere. It's just on the paper. Sa paper lang. Hindi kahit sa skin, hindi din. Oh, sa paper lang talaga siya. What? It turns to yellow? It turned to yellow? It's clear and then it became yellow? Ang galing. Ito maganda. Hindi masusulat sa wall lang. Sa paper lang talaga. It's so cool.
It's pink, but it's a mountain.
Unfolding so grand in this journey we're living unplanned. The light, from sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand in this journey we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene took the light, from sunrise to starlight.
Hello guys, we are here at San Diego. After 1 year, nakabalik ulit kami dito. Dito kami mag-celebrate ng birthday ni ate. 18th birthday ni ate. And then, 20 years anniversary namin ni Adrian. And 14 years wedding anniversary namin. So, tapos celebrate na rin namin yung graduation niya. Hindi ko lang. Alayin ng parking namin. Kaya pa kami nagharap ng parking. Hirap na. Oh, oo nga no. Gusto mo ilipat? Ang hirap magharap ng parking dito. Kaya lang ikot kami. Hihingal ako. Kasi lahat kami simula galing nun. Ayan. Pumunta kami ng Asa Cafe, Bakery. Di ba kami nagla-lunch? So, kain muna kami dito. Ang ganda ng weather talaga dito sa San Diego. Hindi mainit. Hindi malamig. Sakto lang. Wait tayo. Antay siguro sa loob. Asa Bakery. Let's go inside. Wow. We're here inside. And then drinks. What you want? Hi.
Oh, and then what's your name?
Thea.
Here's our order guys. Natin na lang namin yung yung order namin chicken and beef. na pang lunch namin. Ito yung, ano ba bitawag ito? Chocolate croissant. Then matcha. Linis ko tayo. Tapos ito yung mocha tiramisu. Number 14 pa. Sakto. I-take out na lang namin. Ilalagay na namin sa hotel. Kasi ano oras na? 3:46 na mag-check-in na kami. Hindi pa kami naglalan. Got our food! We're going to the hotel na. Makalipat sila ng parking. There you go. There they are. Ha? Can we? Yeah, I think we can. Kasi walang car. Go! 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 Ate, bilis! May kotse. Ha? Hindi na.
Yung lahing lang.
Wow. Ah, di ba kami ipit ah? Do you wanna pee?
Jump, jump.
Watch out! Look out. We're here at the hotel. Check-in lang kami. Haba na pila. We're looking for our room. Dito na kami. Check-in na kami. Ang bait nung receptionist. Winave niya yung parking. 45 per night yun. So, 3 nights din. Sayang din yun. 108 or 8 to 135. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my God, it's a corner room. What? Magot, dami ako mag-tutor. Wow. Wait. So, room tour tayo. Pagpasok mo ng door, they have this. Oh, dito dati yung sama natin yung mga damit. Closet. Here. Of course. And then, my iron. Wow, may full-size mirror. Oh my God. That's for outfit for the day. Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Pwede pang outfit. Wow. Full body mirror. And then, dito sa other side, nandito yung bathroom. Yeah, wow, it's so cool. How do you turn on the light? Oh, there you go. Ito yung toilet seat. Ito, may shelf. And then, the mirror. Oh my God, so pretty. And then, we got more here. Blow dryer, tissue, and then the towels, of course. Na-open ba to? Oh, no, hindi na-open. Look at this, Bauman. And then, yung nila, yung, tawag dito, amenities? No, not amenities, toiletries. Yung soap nila, oh, body lotion, Balman. What's this? Vanity kit, shower cup. Ganda, shower. So pretty. Diyan, Balman din yung kanilang shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Tapos may bathtub, sakto, kay Matthew, kasi kailangan may bathtub. Then may table dito, magulo lang kasi hindi yung food namin. Tapos ito, 2 queen bed siya. Ang ganda. Tapos may TV. Then you have here your coffee, may Keurig. Then what do you have here? No, just a drawer. May free coffee. Then may safe. Just a drawer. What? And then the fridge. Go. And then we got here the view. Here, muli natin ay what? There, the harbor view. The bay view. Wow, I like this seat. Can eat here. Oh, yan pala. Kain ko mo open kanina. Baliktad pala ako. Ayan, city view. So, ayan, we've got the best of both worlds. We've got the city view and the bay view. Kasi I like bay view. Si ate gusto niya city view. So, ayan. Parehas. We got both views. Tapos, ang bed. Let's see, malambot ba? Oh, yeah. It is. I like this room. Yun lang guys, kakain muna kami ng lunch kasi hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Nakakapagod yung biyahe. Almost 6 hours kaming bumiyahe. So, ngayon pa lang kami magla-lunch. It's already 5 na. Kain muna kami. Nag-request kami ng toddler bed. Pero crib lang meron sila. So, ayan siya. You baby? Oh no, you baby again. Sino mo, sakto-sakto siya. Ang laki niya na para masaya sa crib. Let's see kung makag-sleep siya dyan. Tapos, nanghingi kami ng Dito, ang tawag dito, toiletries body wash shampoo for baby. So, ayan. Padala sila ng Johnson's baby shampoo. Wash and shampoo. Head to toe. Na Johnson din. Tapos, ito, baby lotion. And then, nag-request ako ng chinelas. So, nahingi ako ng 3. Ayan. Slippers natin. Gamitin natin. And then, later, nakalimutan ko pa mag-request ng toothpaste. Hindi kasi dyan. Tapos, hinatap ko na dito yung mga gamit namin. Ayan, travel size namin na panghilamos. Tapos, yung Lysol. Of course, ayan. Wipes. Tapos, hinatap ko lang dito. Ay, nilagay ni Adrian dyan. Tapos, nilabas ko na lang sa lalagyan. Ito yung mga ating mga importanteng sunscreen para sa hair. Sunscreen natin lahat. Namin lahat pala. Tapos, this one. Ay, hindi pa nalabas yung laman. Nandito yung mga toothpaste and toothbrush namin. Nandito naman. And here is my makeup kit. I cannot get it. So high. Ayan, makeup kit. Tapos tampons kasi baka magkaroon ako. And then, yan, pinakita ko sa inyo. Aming pang skincare. Yung soap. Tapos sinigay ko na dito yung perfume ko. And then yung pang bath ni Matthew. Vapor bath. Later para mag-bathtub siya dyan. Set up ko naman yung aming mga damit. Lagay lang natin dito yung mga shampoo ni Matthew. Gamitin natin yung mamaya. Para maayos ang ating bathroom. Gusto ko organized. Ayan. Isin natin yung closet. Happy birthday, ate! May pa 18th birthday yung hotel. So, since di siya pwede allowed ng alcoholic drinks, Evian water lang. Wow naman. Happy birthday, ate! Happy birthday, ate! Happy birthday, ate! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, ate! That's our surprise! That's our surprise, ate! It's your cake! Inumpisahan niya na. Ang kinuha niya ni happy birthday chocolate. Yung lang pala kukunin niya. Yung gusto niya. Pabira. Wow! Chocolate coated strawberries. Happy 18th birthday. Matthew, walang kinain yung araw to. Puro chocolate. May pa ganito sa likod. Meron pala siyang mga pag-gold dust. Ayun o. 24 karat. Pwede isang lang yan. Sarap.
You took the cookie out.
What are you trying to do? It's not a cookie, my love. It's chocolate. Okay, guys. Ito pala yung hotel namin. Grand Hyatt, San Diego. Tapos, kasama dun sa pag nagbuka ng hotel dito, may kasama na siyang cruise or harbor tour pass for 1 hour. So, tomorrow, nakabook kami for 5:30. Yun yung last nila. 5:30 to 6:30. So, may complimentary pass kami from the hotel. Di kami magbabayad. That's $38 din per person kung bibilin mo siya. Since dito kami nakabook, meron kaming complimentary. Tapos, pwede din kami mag-rent ng kayak. Pero, syempre, free pa din siya kasi complimentary din ng Grand Hyatt. So, 3 yung binigay sa amin ng front desk. Tag-iisa kami, pwede kami mag-kayak. And then, meron din kaming 1 hour, 3 bikes, pwede naming i-rent. Free din yan. So, 1 hour bike rental. So, we'll do that. And then, ito yung mga kasama dun sa booking. Meron ng $15 nightly food and beverage credit. Tapos, yun na yun sa bike. And then, yung kayak. Tapos, 20% off tours, rentals, and lessons. Tapos, 10% off sa spa. 10% off seaport meals and spa. Yun na pala yun. 1 7-day pass for GPS My City app. Guided tour. Tapos, Seaport Village VIP pass. So, dito lang kasi kami sa may Seaport Village. So, ito yan. Yan yung Seaport Village. Napunta kami dito before. Kumain lang kami and then naglakad-lakad. Nung last year na nandito kami. May makulit na bata dito. Sobrang kulit. Ang dami niya ng untog. Tapos, ano yun? Visit discounts at unique and local shops and eatery steps from the hotel. Satcom height for details. 1 hour harbor tour pass. Ito na yon, harbor tour. 10% off food and drink at Hidden Craft. Kasi ba kami umiinom. Tapos 15% off food delicious tours. Guided tours focusing on booze. Ay. And then, well-being experience. Ayan. 5% off Old Town Trolley Tours. Relive history and enjoy the scenic farm transports. Let's check this. Tapos, 2 bottled water daily yan. Tapos, 1 shoe sign. 1 shoe shine. Mali-mali yan. Tapos, ano mo meron dito? Let's see. So, we have to bring this tomorrow sa cruise natin. Yung map lang. Dito daw yung tour. So, ito yung reception. Maglalakad tayo, Daddy, papunta dun, oh, sa North Harbor. Yan. Tapos, ano to? What's this? Let's check. Hi.
Whoa!
What's wrong?
It's press the button.
No, don't press the button.
Press down.
Yeah. Dito kami sa 4th floor. Dito yung pool nila. And then playground. And then sa kabilang side naman yung cinema. Sobrang lamig. Ang lamig pala. Hey, it's here, my love. Here's the playground. Here. You have to go here. Yeah. You can play there. It's not the playground. It's just... What's this? I don't know. Ano ba tawag dito? Oh, it's so cold, Matthew. Are you not cold? So cold. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Where's Ate? Hey, they're playing. Here is the pool area. Ito yung room natin. Come on, let's go check out the pool. Oh, Mommy's hand.
Look at that! A pool!
Yeah. So cold. I'm so cold. Oh, it's so
I
cold.
want to go swimming.
No, not yet. Not yet, because it's too cold right now. Tomorrow, we're gonna go swim, okay? Oh, no. It's so chilly. So chilly, my love. Let's go there.
Let's go there.
Yeah, let's go there. There.
I'm so cold.
Oh, there's a fire pit. Warning, extremely hot. There's a fire pit there. Okay, there. You can just look. No touching.
I want to sit.
No touching.
My friend. Okay? I'm just
Yeah, we can sit there. We can sit.
sit there. I walk.
Okay. You can sit here. Go.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Look at that. There's the moon.
My
Where's the-
slip.
Oh, they have that too. There's the jacuzzi there.
What?
Jacuzzi. Spa. It's the spa. Exit. Okay. Let's go there, the other side. It's so cold, my love. We should have brought your jacket. It's very cold. Where's our room? Can you see it? Where is our room?
I don't know.
Hmm?
Wow! Look at that!
Yeah, we go here. Kami lang ni Matthew nandito kasi si Aiden masama pakiramdam. Si Teo tinatamad na lumabas. Kaya kami lang ni Matthew para lang maubos yung energy nito. Let's go there on the other side. Let's check the cinema club. Tingnan natin kung makakapasok tayo kasi may bayad dun eh. We're just gonna check the other tower. I don't think we can go there. Let's see. We can. Ang hangin, ang lamig. Yeah, it's cold. Sabi niya, ang lamig. We're going to the cinema club. Let's see if we can get in there. Where are you? Where are you?
Hey!
Dito na yung rooftop cinema club. May bayad siya. Ang ganda sana, kaya lang hindi pwede si Matthew doon. Tsaka, maglilikot lang to, hindi to mapipermi. Let's see what we could check here. Let's see what we can see here. Let's see what we can see. Oh, you can play basketball there. And that's the cinema club. There, you can play pickleball. You can play pickleball. That's the cinema. But we cannot go inside because you have to pay. You have to book. Yeah, we have to book. Yeah. Look, tickets required to enter, but it's so cute. Yeah, rooftop cinema. No, you cannot. Only for 13 years old and up. Cinema bar. And box office. Cute. Ang ganda. Wow, look at that. So cool. Ay, dami nanonood. Dami nanonood. Pickleball. We cannot go inside, my love, okay? Workshop. Sea view. Crazy rock. Breakfast buffet. Let's see. Check it. Oh. FedEx. That's the gift shop.
Fish in the mood.
Yeah, dear. Oh, that's the gift shop. Oh, I think that's the market one. Oh. What do they have here? And that's the sea view. Let's try that. Sea view. Breakfast buffet.
No, don't go there.
Monday to Friday, 6 to 11. Oh, this is the outside already. See that? It's the outside. Already outside the hotel. This is the Seaport Village. See that?
I want to go up there. To go up there.
Yeah, later. Sally's. Oh, this is
Dog.
Sally's. Yeah, that's the Sally's.
Sorry.
Yeah, the Sally's there. Is that?
Be careful.
But they're from Diamond Marina. Yeah, let's check. We're gonna eat there on Tuesday. It's the Seaport. What is that? See, it's behind. Here we go. See that? We're gonna ride a bike tomorrow. We're gonna come back here, okay? With Ate and Daddy. We're gonna ride bike there. We're gonna go around, okay? You wanna go back?
Up there.
Yeah, there's a room up there.
Room up there.
Yeah, can you walk now? Here at Market One. Atin yung menu nila. Breakfast, lunch and dinner, chicken tenders. Oh, Market One. You have Starbucks here too. Someone is getting card. You have to hold Mommy's hand. Yeah. What do they have here? They have ice cream. They have cookies. Here.
Here.
What? Oh, we're gonna buy toothpaste. What do they have here? Oh, we're just gonna ask for a toothpaste. Oh, here, what do you want here? Do you want anything here? Here? What do you want? Where do you want to go?
Here.
Here, do you want something in here? Matthew, where are you going? There's nothing in there. Ang ganda ng view. Look at that view. Wala ng train. Ayan, yung train. Look at that train.
Saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, it's under my skin, I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again and again?
Market 1, nag-order lang ako ng grass-fed burger with fries for Matthew for dinner. Hindi pa ako makain yung batang yung kanina pang simulang lunch. Parang yung pinakain niya, mga donut, bread. So, it's currently, ano oras na? 10 PM na ata. Nagpunta lang kami ng Seaport Village. Nag-ikot-ikot lang kami doon. Tapos after this, babalik na ako sa room. And then, matutulog na kami kasi gabi na. Tomorrow maaga kami, we're going to Belmont Park and we're going to the beach. And then we have a cruise. So, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.